Precise layout work is the first step toward flawless joinery. When you're doing layout for either hand or power tool joinery, there's no better choice for the job than Woodpeckers Pocket T-Squares. Woodpeckers Pocket T-Squares are milled from a solid billet of top-quality aluminum tool plate. The reference edge extends 3/8 of an inch to either side of the blade for increased accuracy. The 1/4 inch deep lip gives a positive reference, but doesn't run into your workbench even when marking up thinner stock. The center of the Pocket T-Square blade has an array of precision machined holes on 1/32 inch centers. Just drop the tip of a mechanical pencil in the correct hole and slide along the edge of your stock for perfect parallel scribing. Also notice that the edge is beveled at 30 degrees, putting the scale right down next to your work, right where you need it. These are nimble tools, easy to work with, comfortable in the hand, whether you're working on big projects or small. The Pocket T-Squares are available in 3 sizes: 3-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch. The scales are graduated in 32nds, and the scribing guides are on 32nd-inch centers. If you prefer to work in millimeters, we have metric equivalents of all 3 sizes, with 1 millimeter graduations and the scribing guides on 1 millimeter centers. Each size is available individually, or you can get them as a set. The set also includes a Pocket T racket, so your Pocket T-Squares will always be in plain sight and ready to go to work. Woodpeckers Pocket T-Squares, precise layout tools, handy as the pocket in your shirt. Order yours today.